So what is a Mack truck doing at a renewable energy conference?
Well, it's the hybrid vehicle and demonstration of the hybrid electric system for saving fuel.
Show me what you got here. Let's see.
Okay. All right. So what we have is a commercial tractor.
So you got a commercial, basic, off-the-shelf
tractor. It's called our Granite model.
Right.
And it's our construction type vehicle, so it's built for heavy loads, and that's what the military hauls. Of course, this particular truck is on loan to Dover Air Force Base.
So this is running at an Air Force base at the moment.
That's right.
Okay.
And, Dover is hauling cargo in and out of the base all day long. And it's not your traditional Air Force base with fighter planes and bombers and whatnot.
Right.
It's really an international
It's a transport.
airport.
Yes, no, I know that.
Transport hub.
Yep.
And there's cargo going in and out all the time, and this is part of that business.
So what's different about this truck? You took a standard base,
so we
and
took a standard vehicle,
other than putting the hybrid electric vehicle label on it.
We have a complete hybrid system back here.
A complete hybrid system.
So this is a diesel electric parallel hybrid.
Okay.
We have a traditional drive line.
Okay.
And then between the engine and the gearbox, we have an electric motor, 120 kilowatt electric motor.
Okay.
And what we do is we capture energy during braking or deceleration, if you will.
Right.
Actually brake the vehicle by absorbing the kinetic energy from the road. And then when the driver demands via the throttle pedal, that energy is redeployed.
Oh, cool. So this works just sort of like a Prius, except about 10 times heavier.
And that's the issue, it's the physics involved in the process. We have exactly the same concept as Prius. Prius uses nickel metal hydride batteries, we use lithium ion. Both of those are transitional technologies towards something else.
Right, which we don't know yet. As you said, before we turned the camera on, you said you found the super caps were good, but only for short bursts of it. They, just for the audience, they had 2 years ago they had a dump truck here with a combination of super caps and batteries. So there's no generator back here. This is all that whole big assembly.
Well, the generator is the motor backwards.
Right. So, and that's running serial. It's in serial.
The drive line between the engine and the gearbox.
Okay, so it's more like a Honda Civic hybrid.
I'm not as familiar with
Well, don't worry about it, but but a Honda Civic hybrid has an electric motor generator in series with the drive.
I think that's more of a series hybrid, isn't it, rather than a parallel?
Right.
So there you have just wires coming out of the back.
Right.
As opposed we have a traditional drive line. And
cool.
What's important here is because of the capacity that we're able to store, we need the diesel engine more than you would a gasoline engine in Prius.
So what kind of fuel economies do you get in stop and go?
We're predicting and showing up to 30% improvement in fuel consumption.
30%?
In refuse applications.
Because that's a lot of stop and go.
Exactly. So on a highway tractor, what we're doing here is we're actually measuring the amount of savings, and we're doing optimization of software for a distribution type application.
Very cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.